Are you involved in a physically abusive relationship? Do you and your children fear for your safety because of your partner? Have you tried leaving before but had to return because of a lack of resources or employment? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then Living Proof would like you to know about a new program where victims and survivors of domestic violence can receive apprenticeships and hands-on field instruction in construction, electrical engineering, plumbing, painting, and roofing. Living Proof gives my union members the opportunity to teach their skills to others and helps by diversifying my union membership.
Living Proof gave me the skills and confidence I needed to leave a long-term abusive relationship. Now, my children and I have our own apartment. I have a great job in construction that provides us with medical benefits, a pension, and the happiness of knowing that I'm building a better future for myself and others.
We are Living Proof. You can succeed when you leave.